Sabi ko nyo, wala na nagagawa natin. You know, 8 is a lucky number.
That's how I sign my S.
Yeah, 8.
I didn't know that until after.
Actually, that's why 8 ang songs natin because yes, 8 yan. Pinagsama-sama namin lahat ng mga pinag-usapan namin. Yun lang siguro, 2 oras na, no? Hindi ko, 8 shows. Imagine 8 shows.
Chismosa kasi, chismosa na sa amin.
Dito kayo lahat. We'd like to thank all of you for coming tonight. Kayo po ang naging witness ng aming mga teleserye. I hope you enjoyed the clippings.
Yeah.
Are you guys having yeah, you know what's funny is every time it's a show, but every time we would watch itong clippings na to, parang kahapon lang. No?
Parang how fast time flew, no?
Yeah.
So much has happened.
You know, it's not only us na nagkasama lang. In fact, kasama natin sila.
Yes, all of us. Now we're together tonight for the first time in 4 decades. Because you know, you followed our careers whether together or separately, and we are so, so thankful to all of you for that. Thank you for not stopping and loving us and supporting us both.
And this song is not just the two of us, but I think kasama kayo lahat dito. We used to be one.
Yeah, with us.
Kasama ka lang. And up to now, we're here.
Yeah, and I'd like to do this for you.
For all of us.
All of us. Now we're doomed. Divide. We used to be one. I can remember when our hearts were very young. You said our love would be forever, but that was such a long, long time ago. A long time ago. Time and again, I still remember day after day when you hold me close to you, but they are just a part of yesterday. Such a long, long time ago. Why did it ever have to be this way? You promised me the moon, the sun, the stars above. How come you suddenly cease to look my way? Tell me the truth that you are certain of. Look at me now, girl you once loved. Look at me now, grown up but still in love with you. Oh, it's such a long time ago, a long, long time. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, after singing that for you and for you, I will leave you in.
Sandali ginagawa natin.
This is-
You know, 8 is a lucky number.
That's how I sign my S.
Yeah, 8.
I didn't know that until after.
Actually, that's why 8 ang songs natin because yes, 8 yun, di ba?
18 shows. Wala mo
Yes. Exactly. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the show tonight. And, nag-enjoy ba?
Oo naman. Nainis na ako dahil last show na. Dapat wala akong sakit, di ba? Hirap naman na. Pero okay ba? Okay ba? It's hard. It's hard to sing like you. So I love you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll do my very best. I already asked God to take away my voice at 1 a.m. Okay na. Tapusin na natin itong maganda.
Actually, we were planning sana like after this show, we could do another few shows next year. No?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we were really thinking about doing another show, another tour next year. Kailan ba kayo libre? Kasi kailangan namin yan, di ba? That's important.
No, whatever. I don't know what's going to be first. Is it North America or we're doing the other continents first?
Ang sabi sa amin na mapunta kami ng Australia. Sino sa inyo may kamag-anak sa Australia?
We'll tour there and then also some parts of the Middle East. Then we're going back to America.
Yes.
So we can start the tour again, remember?
Bakit ang gusto ninyo? Balita namin pagdating ng mga ng June, okay sa inyo? Okay ba? Hindi pa kayo nagbabakasyon lang? Hindi. Kasi busy namin yun. Sama lang natin si Daisy next time.
Kayo na lang muna. Kasi parang na tayo family birth control. Bakit naman pakilala? Kayo na muna.
Mas maganda kung kasama natin siya.
Maganda. Pero
gusto
nakasantang po sa bata niyo. Kaya... Walang magkatiran. Sorry, hindi kita gusto iwanan. Pero nasisinga ako.
Siyempre, mas maganda kung dalawa ngayong natin dito. At least naman matuwa sila na.
O, di ba yun ako na manonood ako? Sama na lang ako mag-aalala.
Magpati na kasi yung dalawa.
Ay, hindi ako may issue. Okay. Huwag na natin pag-usapan. 2 years na kami estranged. Oh, it's okay. I love my daughter. I love her forever.
Okay, let's just do this song.
Ba't ba tayo napunta doon?
Marami kasi nagtatanong that after this tour, should we say hello or should we say goodbye?